M3, or Maximized Material Movement, is the load and cycle tracking technology built for the aggregates industry by Foresight Intelligence. This patented solution is powered by mobile geofence technology and a signal optimization algorithm. M3 is a turnkey solution that uses a military-grade tablet and docking station that can withstand the harshest conditions. This tablet also reports location every 2 to 5 seconds. In this overview today, we will show you how the M3 is used in the field, how that data is processed into load and cycle times, and how to get started in Fleet Intelligence. Fleet Intelligence uses a tablet in an articulating dump truck to help track load and cycle times. So when you receive an M3 tablet, you'll ideally have this in at least a truck, if not also the loading equipment, whether that's a shovel excavator or loader. In this example on the map, we have M3 tablets in a 773F truck and a 644K loader. This circular geofence on the left-hand side is a mobile geofence, so no matter where that 644K is loading from, it will always be the most up-to-date loading zone. The truck over here on the right-hand side will be loaded from 5 different piles that the loader is working from. Once it is loaded, it will navigate to the dumping zone, which is this red geofence here on the right-hand side. Once the truck has been loaded on the left-hand side from that 644K and navigates back to the red dumping zone, that will be a complete cycle. You can view one of these cycles or all of them for a day by going to the location history button and pressing play to see exactly all of the breadcrumbs that have shown up for that asset for the day. Or you can skip to the end and you can see the full day's worth of loads and cycles as the truck was loaded again from 5 different piles. Again, this loading site is always moving. It's following the 644K loader here. And once those are all complete, load and cycle data will be viewable in your dashboard. You can navigate to that dashboard by going to the report icon on the left-hand side, selecting that, and going to cycle time. In this dashboard, you'll notice that there are 4 different charts that all show different aspects of load and cycle time data. In the upper left-hand corner, you're getting a daily total of cycles as well as an average time. These do have the green arrow on the top, so you can actually select any of these individual days to see the data. By clicking on a given day that you want to see all of the cycle time information for, you can click on it. This is going to pull up some drill down information that you're able to review and drill down further into. So here we can see that the day was selected, and this is the truck that was loaded and had dump accounts as well. In the right-hand side, you can actually see total site time, so that's time in either a loading or a dumping site, time in between, and total minutes for the day. So this really gives you a lot of the information you're looking for. The way that M3 works is we're taking all of those individual events and totaling these up. To see each of those events, you can double-click again, and this is going to pull that up for you as well. So this cycle detail by asset now is showing you when the shift was started, which is done on the tablet or automatically if you configure the truck to whenever it leaves a site to either start or end shift automatically. And then you can see when a load occurred, the exact time, when it left the loading area, and how long it was in the site. Then the next piece is we go to the dumping site. So now you can see when it entered the dumping zone and when it left and the total site time there. So we have the 2 site times that we were talking about initially, and then the time in between these is transit time. So if we go back to the previous, you can see those totals exactly here. Total time in site, total transit time, and how many loads and dump count we have there. Again, you can look at cycle detail by asset to drill down to any of that information as to a high or low performing day. And as always, any of our reports can be fully customized. They can also be exported to Excel or as a PDF, or even easier, you can use an email subscription. If you have an estimate on how much material you are moving, you're able to input tons per hour, and that can be calculated based on an average that you have here. This tablet also includes our Fleet Intelligence inspection app, so you can have site checks, you can have asset pre-checks, you can have custom inspections built in any way that can be put on the tablet to be completed by your operators. As we said before, M3 is a turnkey solution, so you receive a case with a docking station tablet and cables necessary to get this started. This tablet is all that you need to get going in the system, so once that is set up in the asset of choice, you'll be able to start using your M3 load and cycle time as well as the geofences to get that going and calculating your true load and cycle times in the system. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. For more information on M3 or any of our other products, go to fleetintelligenceglobal.com.